Affiliate marketing has been a game changer in the digital world, allowing individuals and businesses to earn passive income by promoting products and services. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, it's essential for affiliate marketers to stay ahead of the curve. In this article, we will explore 7 predictions for the future of affiliate marketing in 2023 that will revolutionize your online business. Rise of artificial intelligence, AI, integration. In the near future, AI-powered tools will play a crucial role in optimizing affiliate marketing strategies. These intelligent systems will analyze vast amounts of data, identify trends, and provide valuable insights into consumer behavior. By leveraging AI-driven solutions, affiliates can target their audience more effectively and tailor their promotional efforts accordingly. Personalized marketing experiences. With advancements in data analytics and AI technologies mentioned earlier, personalized marketing experiences are set to become a cornerstone of successful affiliate campaigns in 2023. Affiliates who understand their audience on a deeper level can create tailored content that resonates with each individual's preferences and needs. Influencer collaboration takes center stage. Collaborating with influencers is not a new concept within affiliate marketing. However, its significance is expected to grow exponentially by 2023. Influencers have built loyal followings based on trust and authenticity, traits that align perfectly with successful affiliate partnerships. By teaming up with influencers relevant to their niche or industry, affiliates can tap into new audiences while benefiting from established credibility. Video content dominance. Video content has already proven its power as an engaging medium across various platforms such as YouTube, Instagram Stories, TikTok, etc. But its influence is predicted to skyrocket even further by 2023. Affiliates who embrace video content creation will have an edge over competitors, as it allows for more immersive storytelling and provides a higher level of engagement with the audience. Mobile optimization becomes non-negotiable. As mobile usage continues to soar, optimizing affiliate marketing strategies for mobile devices will be imperative in 2023. Affiliates must ensure that their websites are fully responsive and user-friendly on smartphones and tablets. Additionally, integrating mobile-specific features such as click-to-call buttons or easy payment options will enhance the overall user experience and increase conversion rates. Voice search optimization. The rise of voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant has revolutionized how people search for information online. By 2023, voice searches are predicted to account for a significant portion of all search queries. Affiliate marketers need to adapt their SEO strategies accordingly by incorporating long-tail keywords and natural language into their content to rank higher in voice search results. Blockchain technology enhancing transparency. Blockchain technology offers an unprecedented level of transparency within digital transactions, a feature that can greatly benefit affiliate marketing in terms of trust building between affiliates, merchants, and consumers alike. By leveraging blockchain's decentralized nature, affiliates can provide verifiable proof of conversions while ensuring fair compensation based on smart contracts. Conclusion. As we look ahead to the future of affiliate marketing in 2023, it is clear that embracing emerging technologies is crucial for success in this ever-evolving landscape. From AI integration to personalized experiences and influencer collaborations, each prediction presents unique opportunities for affiliates to elevate their online businesses. By staying ahead of these trends through video content dominance, mobile optimization efforts, voice search optimization techniques, and utilizing blockchain technology, affiliates can position themselves at the forefront of innovation within the industry. Remember, the key lies not only in adapting but also seizing these predictions as concrete takeaways to skyrocket your online business toward new heights. Embrace change today. Reap rewards tomorrow.